Good evening, everyone. I'm Shambhavi. I'm the current secretary of Wayanad, as you can tell already. And the purpose of this meeting is to talk about Wayanad and Paradox and everything that is there in the upcoming year. And it's great to see so many foundation level people joining and taking part in this initiative. And we actually have a lot in store for you. And myself and a few members of the council, the UHC, we're going to present to you what we have accomplished over the years in Paradox and how this can be a transforming experience for each one of you. And we've laid out certain things that we did previously, and we intend to do it this time as well. So please stay on. For the purpose of those who might miss out or something, please know that the meeting is getting recorded and it shall be uploaded. It shall be uploaded and to a drive and to and to YouTube, and we will be answering queries in the chat. And so, if any of you have any questions during the presentation or anything, you can either raise your hands or you can type your query out in the chat and we'll be happy to answer it. Right? Okay. Please stay tuned. Lakshmi, I think you can begin.
Yeah. Okay. Good evening, everyone. Myself, Lakshmi. I'm one of the co-RCs for Bangalore region. Just start off, I would like to know how many of you are from Bangalore region here, just to get to know stats. Can you raise your hands? Yeah. Thank you. Thank you. Okay. Uh, all those people who have just been added or to the house, like from the May 2024 term or September 2024 term, can you please raise your hands just to know how many people are new here? Lot of people, right? Okay, great. Okay, nice. Thank you. So this might be like a first official meet from the house, right? Okay. So hi guys, as I already told myself Lakshmi, and today I'll be here as your moderator for the session. And what is the agenda of our session? To help you understand what is paradox in Margari, and what is our house going to do, and what all things have been done over the past few years, and what have we achieved, right? So yeah, I'll start with my presentation. Is the site visible for everyone?
Yes, Lakshmi.
Yeah, thank you. Just to tell once again, if you have any doubts, you can message it in the chat or you can raise your hands. Uh, and all the if you want us to answer, everything will be answered towards the end of the session. Okay. Uh, Please 1 second. Give me just 1 second.
Yes, Nisha, you've raised your hand. Okay, I think it was a mistake. Okay.
Okay. So going forward, for all those new students, you might be wondering what is paradox. Like you might be getting a mail, so you've been hearing it from many different sites, also from many different platforms, Gspace or WhatsApp groups you might be in. So Paradox is a annual cultural, technical and sports fest that IIT Madras BS degree has provided with us, and it's such a wonderful golden opportunity that we have as like a purely online degree students. We are getting to experience the campus, be on the campus, participate in the fest, and just get to know the pulse of the campus life. So this usually happens towards the end of May to June. Uh, and just as a trailer to this whole large fest, we have Paradox in Margary, which is sort of spin-off of the larger Paradox, which happens during January every year, and this is a fully online fest. Okay, Paradox in Margary is a fully online fest, and right now the dates for Margary this year, which is 2025, is proposed to be Jan 4th to Jan 7th, right? So you can what can you expect in Paradox in Margary? A whole exciting lineup of events in three different categories: sports, technicals, and culturals. So wherever you have a upper hand on, you can participate in that category, right? Now coming to what our house has done. Okay, this is like the most important part, and I am like so proud, okay, to tell this, that we have been the first runner up in Paradox last year, and we have got the highest number of points in the May Paradox that has happened last year. Okay, and we are the only house in this program to launch a reward system, which we proudly call the Wayanad reward system for our achievers, about which my fellow RC will be talking about a bit later in detail. And um, we from like last year, we have come up with a very detailed and meticulous plan on reaching out to each and every one of our member of our house to help them in selecting the event. If they are coming to campus, help them in planning their travel, and giving them all the support that they want, to come and participate and be part of the fest. So the same thing, all that support you can expect in Paradox in Margary also. And one of the biggest things that we look forward to in the fest is Logic Loom. As most of you might have heard about it already, Logic Loom is the most celebrated events, technical events that happens in Paradox, and also in Paradox in Margary last year. And this is hosted by our own house. The whole idea, the organizers are all from our house, and we had two very successful seasons of Logic Loom, one in last year's Margary and last year's Paradox. And again, this Paradox, we are coming back with Logic Loom 3.0. So you guys can, look forward to be a part of it, take part in that. Now, coming to Wayanad reward system, Nishant, would you like to take over here?
Yeah, sure. Hi, everyone. My name is Nishant Shuran. I am an regional coordinator for Delhi region. So, Paradox. Great. As the name, I believe that you must have studied paradox in the word paradox in your English sessions. It means that something that is logically unacceptable. Okay, so same goes here. This is like a one of a kind online fest, and we at Wayanad want you to have the best of the best uh, experience that one can possibly have, irrespective of this degree being online. That's why we do not want you to miss out on any fun collaboration that might happen. And also, we want you to showcase your technical skills, your artistic side. With being in a technical degree, you're great at sports. We just want you to outperform what you possibly have the limits for yourself. So that's why we launched this one of a kind and first of its kind an initiative, exclusive initiative, that is Wayanad reward system. So basically, as we at Wayanad not only help you in assisting you for your event selections or everything that is related to fest, we also motivate you to win. And how do we do that? basically to all the achievers, irrespective of events being technical or sports or cultural, because we understand how diverse our peers are in this degree. We have an exciting rewards and goodies for all the achievers here. So basically, this is something we introduced in last edition of Paradox, that is 2024, and it was a huge success. We heard back from many people saying that it was, we got testimonials from many people saying it was such a good initiative. Uh, People saying that they would have never got uh, this confidence to participate in events, if we didn't have, supported them or pushed them, give them a slight push to, participate in these events. And we just made a small video for you guys, as a memento of what these people did. Lakshmi, can you play the video? So these are the few of many many goodies and, things that we gave, rewards that we gave to the people who were achievers from our house. We totally understand that everyone is all about IITM merch, and we want to have those T-shirts and those caps and everything. We totally understand that. That's why, in order to boost your confidence to win, this is what we decided last term, and we will continue to do so this term as well. So hopefully everyone will be, be participating more and more. Technique. We have few achievers also, which we at Barnard every time celebrate your achievements. So we might as well just, show the pictures and faces of the people who won last time. In technicals, can you scroll up once, Lakshmi? Just for a jiffy. So Harsh Kumar, Logic Loom 2.0, which one of my fellow presenter will be telling you more about. The thing is, Chandra, that there is no price. If you win, you get it for free. We even ship it to your permanent addresses, to wherever you might be present in India. That's the beauty of it. So Logic Loom 2.0, Harsh Kumar, and got the first place, similar to what 50 Ka Funda was another event in Paradox. Ashirwad got the second place there. Then if you scroll down, we have a gallery where you'll see beautiful pictures of students who were present on IITM campus and were part of this fest there. These are testimonials from few of the achievers. We had beautiful souls who gave very positive feedback and, motivated us to continue this further this term as well. Let's move to sports section. In sports, the Paradox site is not live yet, but you'll see a variety of sports for both online and offline fest. For this fest we have. So basically, we had achieved. We have such a plethora of diversity in our house that we have achievers from all types of categories, be it technical, sports, or cultures. You'll see name of n number of students here who performed very well in all sort of sports. Yeah, scroll down, please. As you can see, these are the pictures we took of the achievers. These are offline Paradox pictures. People winning in cricket, football, badminton. As Lakshmi pointed out, we got the second place there. Basically, we were performing very nicely. And see, as a memento, that's why we initiated this at WRS as well, to, give back to the students who are winning for us. Let's go to culturals. We totally understand the fact that many students have that artistic sense, which I might not understand, but we at Van are totally supported. We have so many wonderful souls who are into this. We won as well in we got first prize in many of these cultural events. As you can see, Samundra Nildhar, he won at the showdown event. He got the first prize there. So we celebrate your cultural wins as well. Let's go to about section, Lakshmi. So basically, this is what we did at Paradox 2024. Can you scroll down a little bit? We had outreach sessions that we will be conducting from today as well. We will be, talking to each and every one of you, understand where your interests lie, and suggest what sort of events you should participate, irrespective of you being confident in that. We'll just provide you that little push that everyone needs. Okay, we'll give you assistance in all sort of events, and all facilitated matters will be handling smoothly from our side, so you feel free to reach out to us. Now what happens is, on offline Paradox, although the one we are having right now, it will be online one, but there are times when people travel for the offline Paradox and they don't have any idea of how they can do that. So we'll be helping you with that as well. So anything, any random query that you might have regarding Paradox, you can reach out to us or the UHC. We are here to help you. Now we have this one of the most flagship events that we conduct every fest that we conduct online, and that is Logic Loom. And my friend Karthik will explain about it more. Karthik, can you take over?
Yes, thank you, Nishant. Is my voice audible?
Yes, you are.
Wonderful. So, good evening, everyone. I'm Sundaresh Karthik Ganesan. I'm the regional coordinator of the Chennai group. And I will be talking about Logic Loom because a lot of you had a lot of questions about Logic Loom, and it is highly possible that you're all hearing this word non-stop. So, let me introduce you to Logic Loom. Logic Loom is the flagship event of the Wayanad House, and it is something that is made in-house in Wayanad House, if I can say. And the last two versions that Lakshmi already mentioned in the beginning, the last two versions that happened in the past were a huge success. And this was an event that was rewarded with the appreciation of many reputed professors, including Professor Sudarshan, whom you might all recognize from the Python course. So this is one event in which all the students were able to participate in the last Paradox, including the foundation level students. So even if you are not done with your Python course and your computational thinking course, even the basic creativity that you have is more than enough for you to get started with this event, right? So that was one of the major plus points of participating in this event, right? The questions, all the questions that were asked in the event were custom made, personal out of the box questions that were well thought out by the organizing team. The questions were really engaging. Me, as a computer science student, I found it technically challenging and wonderful to solve. And I have had many other participants who had no coding knowledge and yet they found it very interesting. So the questions are something that is testable, and it also puts you into a lot of thinking and is therefore very interesting for even beginners. So to give you a bit of a perspective, we had participants from 17-year-olds to 60-year-olds. We will be introducing all the different winners that we had last time later in further sessions. And it was also one of the events in the last Paradox that enjoyed a huge prize pool and a very high number of participants. So this is something I think will excite a lot of you, because the huge prize pool is something that is not awarded to all the events, and this is something that is given to only those events that is actually useful for the students, right? So the huge prize pool is something that you can look forward to. And more than that, more than just being a simple contest or a hackathon, Logic Loom offers a lot. There were workshops that were being organized and conducted by some of the most reputed personnel in the academic industry, right? And we also had some sessions with Sudarshan sir, and we had sessions with many other reputed people who were able to give such useful and wonderful insights that were just impressive and amazing for all the students who were able to attend it offline. And more than that, for all the beginners who are there, we are also having various mentoring sessions that will help you connect with the technical level that we are trying to put together. And the one most important thing that you all have to know, since as Nishant mentioned, Margari is an online event, right? This student fest is online, and this is a good news to a lot of students, because many of them were also skeptical if they will be able to join offline or not. Now, since this is being online, this is a great opportunity for all the students that you can attend the contest from the comfort of your house, right? And and this is all the technical aspect that you get. Now for the soft aspect, one of the most important thing is the team organization. So the teaming between the students is done completely randomized, right? So this gives a lot of opportunity for you to connect with a lot of different people, because you will be put into a team with a stranger, and you will have to connect with them, and you have to know what is their strength and weaknesses, and you have to what do you call, customize your project based on that, right? So this gives you a lot of, what do you call, first of all, a lot of new friends, I would say, because I have, being a past participant of the Logic Club, I have met a lot of new people during this contest, and I'm still in touch with them. And since this is an event awaited by all 12 houses, there is a huge number of participations from all 12 houses. You get to meet people from the other houses as well. Which is something that is not prevalent in the other events. This is something like a boundary that we are breaking with this event. So you get to work with them on interesting projects that will, of course, test your technical knowledge, but also will test your creativity, right? So that is something that we are trying to do with the Logiclum event. And I think we ought to give the congratulations and the appreciation to the organizing team. I think if we can show the images of the organizing team, we had Som Shubra, we had Shambhavi, we had Pritesh, we had Advait, we had Anirban, we had Shayan as the primary organizers of this event. And this was something that was wonderfully executed, right? And we had Gautam as well. And this event was so wonderfully executed that this was not only appreciated by the professionals, but was appreciated by the students as well. So why are we promoting this much? It is because we all want you to use this opportunity, because this is a very good opportunity to explore more on the side, and this is something that might train you for hackathons. As I can read through the chat, someone was asking what are hackathons, right? So for those of you who are not very familiar with the idea of hackathons, this is something not exactly like a hackathon, because we will be helping you through each and every step, but this will be like a hackathon in the sense that it is to do with real time implementation of problems and solutions, right? So that is it about Logicloom that I wanted to tell you all. So if you have any questions regarding anything about Paradox Marguerite or anything about Logicloom, please feel free to ask them in the Q&A session in the Gmeet, or you can also ask them in the chat box, right? Once we are done with the questions in the chat, we will also be moving forward to the vocal questions. And as you can see in the screen, these are some testimonials that I have said. I mean, these just align with whatever I have said, but still, these are written testimonials given by students who participated. And to be very honest, this was one of the only events that was interesting, being a participant of the Logicloom myself. And yes, I think it is a very good experience, right? And you can relate a lot with hackathons. If you have already participated in hackathons, you will have a lot to relate to. If you have not, then this is a good trade-off to get you prepared.
Yeah.
All right. So I think we can move on to the questions. Lakshmi?
And just to add on to that, like when it comes from a person who has actually participated in it and he's telling it so enthusiastically and passionately, you guys can actually think how good of an event it was. And for an event to make it like to the third season, it should be of that, that particular level for, it to come back 3 times. And just to give you a add on to that, it's not like we have been only doing Logicloom. We didn't stop over there. In fact, if you go on to this website, and don't worry, these websites links will be shared with you guys. Everybody will have access to these websites. You might have already heard about many other events and competitions that us Wayanad House have already taken up, like the ML Challenge, Pythonic Sprint, right? So we didn't stop our Logicloom. We are still doing this. Like a lot of events we are conducting on ML, and the same organizing team have been doing this. So you can expect now Logicloom also to be 3.0 also to be of, you can look forward to it to be more exciting, more fun, and will actually help you develop more skills, right? Okay, now coming to Q&A sessions, we'll just take people, first we'll take people who have raised their hands. Yes, Anmol, please go ahead.
Okay, firstly, I'd just like to thank Lakshmi and Sundaresh and Nishant, all of you, for this great presentation. We can actually have questions answered in the order in which hands are raised. So, those of you who have questions, you guys can please raise your hand. Anmol, you are the only one who has. So, please begin. Do you
Anmol, you
have
can
a question?
unmute. You can unmute yourself.
Okay. Yeah, sure. Lakshmi, please take them up.
Okay, so the session, as already our secretary has told in the beginning, is being recorded and you will be given with the link. Okay, and all the other website link, as I just mentioned, will be shared with you in the WhatsApp common WhatsApp group. Okay.
Yes, and I think a lot of different students are having about the different types of event that Paradox will be offering. So let me give you a bit of insights on that, people. So Logicloom is one of the many events that we will be having, and we will not only be having technical events, we will also be having esports, we will also be having cultural events, right? So all the list of events will be released eventually, where you will be able to register for any one of them, and there is no restrictions that you have to register to a particular number of events and you will not be able to after that. But it is always recommended to get registered to a minimal and a manageable number of events so that you are able to perform well in them, because as we have said, you will be given certifications if you win in these events, and I think certification of participations are also awarded along with a huge prize pool that is being awarded to the students. And we also have the Wayanad reward system, right? So if you want to get all these benefits by participating in these events, I would suggest you to register to all the events in which you are strong and win them, right? So winning is, of course, it gives you a good feeling, but apart from that, you will also have a lot of scope to enjoy here. You will meet a lot of people. You will be participating in teams with the other people that you may know or may not know. So it will be a lot of fun. So the events and the website will be released later. Aditya is asking what amount will we get if we win esports. Aditya, so the prize amount and the event description will be revealed later, right? As of now, there might be prize there, but as of now, it is not yet released to the public.
I
And
think a
just
lot of you are having an issue with understanding what kind of events will be there. Please understand that, as it's already Sundaresh has already stated before, that Margari is the online version of the offline paradox, right? So a lot of events will be released, and the site is not live yet, as we've already said, which means you don't know the number of events and the name of the events and what kind of events will be happening in Paradox from 4th to 7th Jan till now. The only reason for this meeting is to inspire you guys about the Vayanad reward system, so that if you come to us saying that, okay, I have won an award, or I have been the first, second, or third position in a particular event at in Margari or in Paradox, in the offline Paradox, we will give you free merchandise of IITM, right? And you can even ask the people who have been winners before, because all of them, they have uploaded their images on the Vayanad Insta page, and they have tagged our house. And they have been very, very happy after receiving the goodies for free, since they came first. So this is all to explain to all of you, right? I think that
Yes,
clears up a lot of queries
yes,
about
Sham.
people asking
And
about events.
and Harsh is asking if we can share any YouTube link of past events. I think Nishant has shared it, Harsh, or I can just show you a glimpse of the previous Paradox website. Let me again emphasize. This is the offline Paradox ka website. This is not the official Margari website, but this will give you a good insight of what the events we will be having generally, right? And this was a cool website that was made by the Paradox team. And these are the different kinds of events that we are having, right? We will have technical events. Here you can see analytical trade quest, and here you have logic loom and all the different events by different houses. And it is also to note that you are not only forced to join the events of Wayanad House, you're free to join the events of any society or any club or any house, right? And we also had different sports here. And here, if you come down, yeah, here as you can
Somebody
see,
was
we have
asking
FIFA here.
about somebody was asking about volleyball as well. So in the previous
Yes, yes.
paradox, in the previous run, we had
We had
right?
volleyball because volleyball is an offline event. It will be done offline for sure. but not in Margary, because Margary is a completely online event. And here you can see different events, right? Squid games, volleyball, and campus run. So these things are slightly tweaked to be offline, but the events like Free Fire, chess, BGMI, we had all these Valorant also we had. So these kind of events will be done online as well if they are happening. We will get the link released and the list
We'll
of
get
events
an
released.
idea of this. Yes.
Yes.
And
And here,
this is to say that,
yeah,
yeah, please continue.
yeah. And here, as we can see, this is the Logic Loom event that we had. And here we can see Professor Jyoti Krishnan and we have Dr. Sudarshan Iyengar as the speakers, of very famous people, I would say. Many of you would recognize Sudarshan sir from the Python course, the very famous Sudarshan sir. And we have different rounds, as you can see. We had the creativity round especially, and we had different AI ML coding based questions. And this was done separately. So for people who are in the foundation level, they had a separate stream for those students so that they don't feel they don't realize the gap between the knowledge that is required and the current knowledge. So even without coding knowledge, you can very well participate in these events. And we had a separate stream for diploma and the degree level students so that they are given a bit of a challenge and they are tested in their own way so that they can enjoy a bit, right? And we also had pre-finals, and we had the workshop, as you can see, done by sir himself, and we had the finals, which was done offline. So this is the event overview of what happened offline last year. Last year, as in this May.
This year, yeah.
This time we will be doing this online, and we will be releasing the description of the event and what is awaiting for you in the event eventually.
And
So this
please
is-
understand that this entire WRS initiative that we have had is more of, most of the events that once the Paradox site goes live and you're able to see the events, you will understand that a lot of those events requires you to team up with other people. And the main issue that I have seen with foundation people is that they don't know who to pair up with, because they're very unsure. They don't have a lot of friends in the degree yet, or they are first timers, etc., and they don't know who to contact. So this is basically a way for us to this platform, this WRS initiative that we have launched from our side. It helps you all in such a way that you can actually team up for other events as well. We will make teams and hand it to you that, okay, see, if you don't have a team, we will give it to you. We will tell you that other people who are also interested in participating in the same event, we'll put you in WhatsApp groups, right? And all you have to do is just give it your best shot, and if you win, then there's a whole merch waiting for you, as you can already see, right? And I think Shashikala ma'am is also here in this meeting. I think if she wants to say a few words about the event and how Logic Loom happened, I would be very, very grateful. Ma'am, Shashikala ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Good evening. How are you?
How are you doing, ma'am? It's wonderful to speak to you again.
I just want to hear your voice.
I'm
That's
just
why
so
I
glad
joined
that
you.
you are here.
I really miss you. You people.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Last
Thank
time
you
we
so
enjoyed
much.
together, na?
Yes. I was this is just to let all of you know that I have had the honor of interviewing Shashikala ma'am, and it's one of the most joyful things that I've ever experienced in my life, and just words cannot begin to even like explain what I have felt while talking to her. So it's great to have you here in this meeting, ma'am. Yeah, it's really
Thank you,
great.
ma'am. Nice to meet you. Wish you all the best.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. She was
And
one of our.
Shashikala ma'am will also be joining us in the participation of this event. So you all will be competing with her as well.
Absolutely. She is.
Already sent message to Karthik. We got Logic Clue.
Yes, ma'am. And ma'am has sent.
I may be a failure,
Logic
but
Loom
I
even
will participate. It's a novel one. I really enjoyed Out of Box Thinking. Last year I enjoyed. So this year also I want to enjoy.
Thank you so much.
For enjoyment only I am participating, not winning and all that.
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, and
Well,
for all
that
the
Nice to talk to you all the after a long time.
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
The same goes from my side also, ma'am. It's reciprocated.
Okay, ma'am.
And
Okay.
for all the other students who are asking what are all the events, will this be there, this be there, let me again emphasize the events that we just showed you are the events that were conducted in the past. That is not the list of events that is going to be offered this Margari, right? So the list of events will be live in the near future, which Nishant has mentioned in the chat. And for all the students who are looking forward to different events, like one is Pritham is asking for Gen AI Hackathon, Ansh is asking for Free Fire. So we are not sure if these events will be there. The list of events will be made alive in the near future, as you can see, and you can register for the events that you see fit for yourself. And one most important point that I want to mention, your regional coordinator will be contacting you individually to ask your interest in events that you want to participate. So we will be coordinating from the house council side to avoid any confusions or any logistical or operational problems from your side. So we will be making sure to give you any ideas of what are all the events that you can participate, the timetable that you can. I remember in the previous tenure of the house council, we literally sat with the different students of who were interested in participating in Paradox, and we were making the timetable for them that you can participate in this event from now to now, and then you can participate in this event from there, you can go there. So we are literally supportive, and we can provide you the entire support that you want to participate in any event of your choice, right? So that is something that I want to mention. So any doubts that you have regarding Paradox Margari, please feel free to ask your regional coordinator. For the students from Chennai region, I'm the regional coordinator, and we have the other regional coordinators here in the meeting as well, right? So you know who your RC is, and you can contact them once the event registrations are live. We will intimate you once they are live, and then you can ask us the questions, because even if you ask us now, we wouldn't know much about the list of events because we will be knowing them with you, right?
And to add on to this, please make sure that your RC knows about the events that you're registering for, because we must have the data about the events you have registered for in order to make sure that you are a part of WRS. Because without that information, we cannot check if you really genuinely participated for that event or not. So make sure you are communicating with your RC very well.
Yeah, just want to reiterate that whatever may be your doubts, may it be like confused between two events or don't know what to choose, or you may face a problem in registration in the actual Margari website, you always have your RC to turn to, right? And just to be clear, I'm one of the Bengaluru RC along with my other co-RC, Sri Harshita. And every other region's RC, as Sundaresh has pointed out already, is present in the meet. And we anyways will be in touch with you. We'll be contacting you regarding your event preferences and selection and helping you out with it. Irregardless, if you face any troubles during this whole registration or even during the event, you face some kind of issues, operational logistical issues, please feel free to come and tell us, right?
Yes, thank you, Lakshmi. And Aditya, will the events be live at night? Let me again reassure you, a large part of the student pool are dual degree students. So I'm sure the central committee will be keeping in mind that they keep the timing such that we will also be able to participate. If not, you will see a lot of RCs disappear as well, because we are dual degree students as well. So don't worry, I'm sure they are keeping our time in mind, and we will be able to participate, right? It will be mostly in the evening, so you don't have to worry about that. And since the end term is also ending for a lot of standalone students, this is like the fun part of the year where they can freely participate in the fest without any pressure in their minds. And let me be very honest, I have been participating in multiple events for the past 3 years of my college life, and I mean, simply winning an event without any registration fee, giving your best for and having fun, and for that you are getting paid in prize pool amounts, and you're also getting awards from the Wayanad reward system. This is something that is a no-brainer according to me, right? So this is something that you should all do, because BS degree isn't just about doing the courses, completing your lectures, and just getting your degrees. It is more about your student life, right? You should all keep that in mind and use all the opportunities that is being provided, both from the IT Madras BS team and from the Wayanad House Council as well,
Yeah,
right?
well said, Sundaresh. Because as you pointed out, like a free registration, may you are getting a very good opportunity for networking with people who like these people whom you might not like, may be able to meet otherwise. and you're getting a very good experience of like maybe learning new skills or maybe taking part in the workshop or part of a competition. And last but not the least, to tell that if you win, you're getting free merchandise from IITM that we are providing, right? So this is like a very big opportunity, a golden opportunity for all of you. And I would urge you that as soon as the website goes live, go to the website, check out all the events, and once your RC contacts you, let them know what all you are interested in and register for it, right? Take your chance. This is one time opportunity that you're getting. Before the actual paradox, this you can maybe like take like maybe not a training, but like as I said in the beginning, a trailer to the actual movie. You could just sort of experience it, how to participate in the fest, right? So go for it, register for events, and don't miss out on Logic Loom, especially keep an eye to it.
And students, to also assure you, when Lakshmi says it's a trailer for the main event, it in no way undermines the Margari event. The competitions are going to be intense and it will be engaging. So be ready for that. But it also means that the Paradox offline is going to be much, much, much more fun. Right? I mean, if you can just search for the trailer of offline Paradox in YouTube, then you can feel the amount of work that is being put. And the most important point again, all the Paradox events and all the student fest organized are completely done by the students. Everything is taken care and everything is organized exactly and everything is done by the students. So this is something, whatever you're seeing here is a product of a student's effort, right? Someone who is in the same platform and the forum as you, right? So if you are interested in the future, you can also contribute to Paradox in whatever ways that is possible. We will be intimating you about that. But whatever you're seeing here, the entire Logic Loom event, for example, is being organized by students who are the same as you, which is a mix of foundation and diploma level and degree level students again, right? So this is something that should motivate you all, and I encourage you all to participate, right?
Yes, for sure. Do we have any more doubts or queries?
Yes. Any more questions or doubts, please feel free to ask. This is your platform. We will like to hear your wonderful voice if you have.
Yes, please.
We people can organize meetup as well. Absolutely, Anshuman. We will be organizing multiple meetups from Wayanad House. We already have multiple meetups that are being organized. So of course. If you are very interested in organizing a meetup in your region by yourself, then you can contact your regional coordinator and propose that you want to organize a meetup with your friends, and we can get it up done for you, right?
Yes. I'm sure your RC would help you out with it. If you have like a plan, if you are interested, please do contact your RC.
I see people spamming in the chat different
Okay.
locations that they want in meetup in. I think people will stick to Paradox for the session because that is the agenda.
Yeah. Any more queries on Paradox? Are you more curious about any particular aspect or any particular event, Logic Loom, anything that you want to get to know more? You can ask right now. I guess nothing.
I think that's all. Yeah, I
Yeah.
think when the RCs actually individually reach out to them, it'll be better for them to ask away their questions clearly. But I'm very happy to see the people from foundation level who have joined, and all the best, because we will be hosting a lot more meetings in the future. Once the Paradox site goes live, we'll be telling you more about the events, what kind of events, what kind of participation should you look forward to, right? What kind of events should you apply for, etc. Things like that. We'll help you out with making teams if you don't have one, and all of that. And yeah, absolutely. We'll be there in every step of the way. So, Rohit, do you want to add anything to that?
Yeah. So when I told Lakshmi and Sundaresh in the morning that they have to promote WRS really well, I didn't think they would do it so well. So kudos to both of you. You have my vote for Wayanad RC of the month. So well done. Okay, so coming back to all of you, the main thing I have to tell all of you is that it's normal to feel overwhelmed in a institute such as IITM when you're there for the first term or the second term.
you look at all the other people around you and they're doing so great, and you kind of feel like you're not reaching up to the mark, and you kind of don't want to feel participate in events because you feel like you won't do well. And this is something I would say is pretty normal to everyone, because even I have went through it. And my advice to that would be to not care about results. I know it is easy to say, but that is how you progress in life. You cannot really, expect to win the first event that you join. So really think about not winning, but learning. Join an event, learn about it, and really, I actually took part in ML challenge without knowing what ML is, and I actually learned a lot. Even I would say I learned more than I ever learned in my life during that 1 week. I learned so much, and I actually went on to secure a seventh place. It's nothing to boast about, but it's still something I would treasure for the rest of my life. That 1 week, the amount of effort I put in, the amount of things that I learned during that 1 week, that is never going to leave me. And I hope each and every one of you can have that experience, and I hope each and every one of you is going to participate in as many events as you can. And another point why we want all of you to participate in maximum number of events is because when you win events, Wayanad as a house gets points for it. So, in a sense, when you're participating in an event, you're representing your house, you're winning points for them. And at the end of Paradox, these points are actually totaled together, and there is an overall house winner is announced over there. And last time we just missed it out by a very small fraction. We actually came second last time during Paradox. And this time the whole notion, the whole idea behind this and everything is that we want to come first. And that is the spirit that I expect all of you are going to show. And yeah, that is it from my side. Thank you guys.
Thank you for the wonderful philosophy, Rohit. That was wonderful, and I hope a lot of students got what you said. And as he said, the most important thing, Wayanad House, you will be representing the Wayanad House. So just as Harry Potter represented Gryffindor versus Slytherin, you will get to represent Wayanad versus all the different 11 houses that are there in this program. So that's wonderful, Rohit. Thank you for mentioning that. So Lakshmi and Shambhavi, over to you. I think we
Yeah,
can
to add on
be
to
done with
one,
the
I
session.
just wanted to tell one point
Yeah.
that I hope that you guys will be cooperative with us when we try to reach out to you, when we text you. Please do respond, because we are also trying to help you out here for, as we already have mentioned, cover the points like event selection, team formation, etc. So we also expect a little bit of cooperation from you guys, which I can also already see a lot of you have already been so enthusiastic and excited about the whole fest itself. So yeah, just keep that spirit up.
Yes, and that is something that is very valid that was mentioned by Lakshmi. We, as part of the House Council, as you guys know, we are not getting paid anything. So we are all doing this out of our own interest and our motivation and interest to get our peers and students to participate in something interesting, and so that they can get something new to their experience, right? So that is the reason we are all doing this. So when we reach out as a single person, as a regional coordinator, we are reaching out to hundreds of people, right? So when we do that, please do respond, because response is the first and foremost thing, and that is all that we're expecting from you. If you decide to ghost you, we will be ghosting you as well. On a lighter note. All right. So I think we are pretty much done with what we wanted to say. Shambhavi and Lakshmi, if you have anything to say, you can. And,
yeah, absolutely. Thank you so much, Sundaresh, for covering that. And
Yes.
I think we've reached the end of the meet, because I don't see people raising hands. I think you guys will be more comfortable when the RC contacts you personally. And but before ending the meet, I would just like to give a huge shout out to one of our mentors who are present in the meet itself. And they are present here. It's Pritesh, and he was actually one of the members who made the WRS initiative happen, and they made it a huge success. So I would just like to thank him, because he's present here, and we are who we are, and we're standing here because of you. And thank you so much for being the continuous support that you guys are for us, for the present council, and as you will be for the longest time, right? Thank you so much. So that's all, guys. I think it's end for today. As soon as the events are announced by Paradox, we will conduct a meet wherein all of your questions will be answered once again. This was just to give you a sneak peek into what WRS is, what it's all about, and how it's being conducted, and what's in store for you, right, with regard to the WRS. Okay, thank you so much for joining, and thank you so much for showing your enthusiasm in this meet. And yeah, good night. Good night, everyone.